Hello, my name is Sean, and I am the principal rep for Trailhouse Sales Group and sales rep for Outdoor Element for the Southwestern United States. In this video, we are going to be going over Outdoor Element's camp and outdoor accessories. The first device that we're going to get into is called Handled by Outdoor Element, and it does a variety of things and does it really well. First and foremost, you guys may have seen something that looks like this. This, yes, is a standard pot gripper. So if you have pots with no handles in it, you've probably seen this out there. It does have that. But what else is also unique to this device is it's not just a pot gripper. You can actually remove the pin on this guy here, and it comes with two different attachments. Now, what this is designed to do is when you're out there hiking, backpacking, camping, and you are using fuel, whether it's the isopropane or your 1 pound propane canisters, those are not, traditionally recyclable. You can't throw those in the trash. You've got to actually take these to a proper waste disposal area. However, if you can remove all of the excess fuel, they do become recyclable. So first and foremost, this screws directly on to all of your standard isopropane canisters in the market. So you see a lot of these at hiking, backpacking, camping, hunting, fishing. For all of your standard stoves, that thread is fairly universal. And this threads directly onto it, and there's actually a bleed valve there, so when you thread this, it will actually bleed any of the leftover fuel that's still in your canister, making this recyclable. The other great thing is we actually have a large brass adapter that this guy threads directly onto, and this also has a bleed valve. This is made for all of your standard green 1 pounders, and that again allows you to puncture and bleed off any excess fuel. And you'll notice you've got this nice large puncture tip for your canisters. So once you bleed any excess fuel, this will allow you to puncture not just the smaller isopropane canisters, but your larger green 1 pound propane canisters that you see everyday campers using in the outdoor industry. These will puncture these canisters really easily. It takes a little more effort, but even your children can help and actually puncture these canisters as well. So it doesn't take a whole lot of effort to really drive this through your green canisters, even though those are definitely thicker than these lighter weight canisters here. So that is the Handled. That allows you, again, not just a pot gripper, but allows you to recycle all of your isopropane and your 1 pound propane canisters in the outdoor industry. These do come packaged as such, so you can get it this way, but we do also sell it without your larger brass fitting. That brass fitting can be bought separately, so if you're not planning on using it for your 1 pound canisters, this can be bought for just your isopropane adapter. The Omni Tensile here is the next kit and one of my favorite camp accessories that we make here, and it is a full utensil kit that comes with a roll-up microfiber towel that will organize all your pieces individually in the towel here. So first and foremost, you've got your stainless steel hollow dowels, and then you've got your bamboo tipped chopstick ends that will thread right into those, and then you also have your glass reinforced nylon spoon and fork ends that will thread right onto those, BPA free. And you have your bamboo capped toothbrush as well. Will come with that protective cover that threads onto there, and a silicone bellows that sticks onto the end of that, so you can help bellows the fire without getting too close to it and controlling how much air you give to it, and also works as a straw. That is the Omni Tensile kit here from Outdoor Element. Another great piece in the line is the Charlotte's webbing here. This is a great piece of gear. Everybody loves this, from hikers, backpackers, campers, hunters, and overlanders, whether you're in a small car or a large Sprinter van or full-on RV. This is a great kit, and I'll show you what this looks like. So this can be slung up between multiple posts, trees, or a carabiner to built-in hooks on the inside here. So these has these pre-laser drilled holes here, and this will come with a carabiner kit. Will come with 4 carabiners that all have these little clips on it. You don't need the clips, but they have great end use. Those are, again, are laser drilled holes, so you can slot your carabiner through it. So if you have one thing that really weighs it down, not everything sags to the middle of your line there. So these all hold that really well, and all of those are cauterized, so you're not worrying about these tearing and these holes opening up. This is a great piece because you can hang anything from clothing to it to water filters and purification, gravity fed systems, lanterns, you name it. And it's incredibly strong. This has a 50-pound rating to it, and it's going to come with 20 laser drilled holes, and it's 12 feet of webbing, so you've got a lot of versatility in the length of this, but you can obviously make it longer or shorter depending on how you want to sling it up. And the cord itself is 100% recycled material. And that is the Charlotte's Webbing outdoor accessory kit. On top of that, we do have the Gearbiner bundle, so if you want even more carabiners with these clips built into it, you can buy the Gearbiner bundle here. This will come with 6 carabiners and 4 additional steel clips, and that will allow you to gain even more versatility and more hanging options. I have this for skiing, snowboarding, so I can hang gloves to dry at night so they're not on the ground, but then it also works great for surfing. If you need to hang towels to dry, you can hang it from the back of your car. It's a great accessory piece no matter what the end use is for in the outdoor industry. Last thing for our outdoor element accessories category is our camp kitchen cleaning kit. So this will come with 2 silicone sponges, a dish towel that is also made from recycled plastics. It's the same exact fabric that we use for our Omni-Tensile kit for your dishwashing here. So you've got 2 different color ones. So if you want one for, specifically for one type of cleaning use and one for another, you've got your 2 colors so you can keep them organized. Those are part of our base camp accessories from Outdoor Element. If you wish to know more about Outdoor Element and some of the products that it manufactures, you can visit their website at outdoorelement.com. You can also visit my website for in-depth product line showings and reviews at mytrailhouse.com, as well as follow me on my YouTube and Instagram channels. Thank you very much, and we look forward to sharing more about Outdoor Element and fellow brands from the Trail House at my website. Look forward to seeing you again soon.